Let's go back to a quick football story. Leaders Montego United had to pull out all the stops as they outscored Dunbeholden 4-3 in the Reign for Jamaica Premier League at Jarrett Park on Wednesday. More in this report.
It was a fierce battle in the second city as host Montego United fought to withstand a relentless challenge from a fired-up Dunbeholden FC side intent on causing an upset. The teams traded blows throughout a hard-fought first half, but MBU struck first, with Malachi Sterling finding a breakthrough in stoppage time. But 15 minutes into the second half, Dunbeholden fired back through Shaquille Powell to pull things level. However, Ricardo Ramsey replied with a quick-fire double, with the first coming in the 61st minute and the second a minute later for 3-1. MBU were now riding high until Powell cut the deficit within 12 minutes. And when Stephen Barnett tied things up in the 77th minute, heads started to turn. But when the going gets tough, Dwight Merrick is the man for MBU, and he pulled the plug on Dunbeholden in the 83rd minute to secure the points.
We made it hard, and for that I'm disappointed. I thought we were in discipline in a lot of areas, and it's something that we have to fix going forward. I thought we had a very good performance on Sunday. Everybody did extremely well. We had total domination in the first half, just managed to score 1 goal, and we should have put the game to bed from early. And with conditions like these, against teams who want to have points and who play a little robust type of football, things will go their way. And I thought we made the game a little bit more difficult than it should have been today.
Losing a goal right before the half-time will dampen any team. I have to commend the lads for how they came out in the second half and applied themselves. We lost the game. Our game to run a play. It happens. I would just have to continue it.
Stung by a 4-0 defeat to Montego Bay United on Sunday, Waterhouse FC responded emphatically, handing Malines United FC a similar defeat. Neron Barrow ignited a rout in the 34th minute before Colorado Murray doubled the lead on the stroke of halftime to leave Malines United in deep trouble. Denardo Thomas extended the advantage 5 minutes from time, and Jamon Lyle added the finishing touch a minute later. That sealed the dominant win that keeps Waterhouse FC firmly in the hunt for a playoff spot.
I'm so proud of this group of players. This group of players is really honest, and working hard. Okay, we suffer in a defeat, but it's a good team that is fighting to get the playoff and more.
We never turned up, I thought, in the first half. We played in patches. We connected well, as I said before, in patches. But nonetheless, we came out second half, and I thought we gave a good account of ourselves and created, I think some half chances, and I think we should have converted. But nonetheless, we missed those, and as a result of that, and then gave up some sloppy ones at the back end of the game. Really sloppy ones.
Now over at Stets, the points were shared between Treasure Beach and Portmore United as they ended to all. Dunstan Cohen and Ronaldo Robinson got the goals for Portmore United, while Raheem Porter and Afiba Chambers were responsible for the home team goals. Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.